Hey, what's up? Check it out. So, I'm gonna show you a really cool video today. All you're gonna need is heavy whipping cream in a bottle. Pour some in the bottle. Probably about a third of the way full. What we're gonna do, we're gonna shake this. And what you should notice after a while is that now it's really, really thick. And what you gotta keep doing is shaking this. What you'll start to see is this will start to separate. And then, out of nowhere, like magic, something crazy will happen. You'll start hearing that sloshing around, and that's when you know it's done. You can go ahead and pour out the liquid. And once you pour that out, what you're left with is butter. Spreadable, hard butter. And you actually get a lot of butter for the amount of cream, because this container, look at that, I mean that's super coated in butter. And the amount of cream left in here is probably, I only used maybe half of this container. So, last thing to do, thanks for watching.